Welcome to Abstralbus. How to disable these sticky keys. To disable sticky keys in Windows, follow these steps. It works for Windows 10 and 11. Open settings by pressing Window and I keys. Click Ease of Access or Accessibility in Windows 11. In the left sidebar, select Keyboard under Interaction. Turn off the toggle. Mine is already turned off. This is the sticky keys option. You might also see an option that says allow the shortcut key to start sticky keys. Keep it unchecked as well. If you don't want sticky keys to be triggered by pressing Shift key 5 times. Once you turn off sticky keys, it should stop activating when you press Shift key 5 times. In short, keep these two options disabled under Use Sticky Keys. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.